was another morning in Mandeville. There's a dog down there, his name is Puppy. Because Donald hasn't given the dog a name, so the dog is Puppy. And Puppy is going crazy over his food. And the brown one, what's his name again? Are you kidding me? Wow. Well, anyway, we're about to go on the road. And there goes Puppy. So, when they were watching the movie Bird Box, and the lady was calling the kids boy and girl, Donna could relate. He could definitely relate. But anyway, we're going on the road. I kind of have like a slight headache because of the alcohol I was drinking yesterday. Hey. Hey. Hey, you handsome man.
We're not playing that game. Hey.
Which one? This one?
This is Betsy.
No, I'm talking to him.
That's Betsy.
Hey, Betsy. Hey. Hey, Betsy. Hey, Betsy boo boo. Hey. Guys, you know German Shepherds are my favorite. They're my favorite dogs. Hey, hey. They're my favorite dogs. Oh, alright, Betsy. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, guys, but this is like the best part I like about traveling. Like, when you go to a different parish, like, I know about Mandeville. I used to go to Monroe, so like, I used to come through here, but like, I don't know much about Mandeville. And it's different, man. I like that. You see me? Plus the temperature up here, like, the temperature here is fantastic if you're prepared. Yeah. I didn't bring a hoodie or anything like that, so like, yo, that night at the party was like, if I was to give you like temperatures with wind speeds, it felt like maybe like 55. That's what it felt like. But what do you 55 with that 5 or 8 mile/hour wind or something? Yeah. Yep. It was blistering, man. So which part we are going down now? Top Loaf. Top Loaf Bakery. I bought this baking on Monday for that. I don't know, I've when call it again. Captains. Yeah? Okay. Okay. I'm not lie, bread them smell good though. Sure. I'm on. I really think. See them bread are hot. Oh. You remember them something? I call them something like cheese bread. Oh. So unfortunately in today's episode we didn't get this bread. But yeah, the bread looked good. The bread was there, but it is all the oats already, you see me? So we get the bread another day.